Tongan mafam singda security forces kiba counter insurgence operation da tongan lalhauluki kadar manga fabangam le state asigi law and order ningthina leinaba amari santi amasung tangdu leitab hanjilakna bagi thawrang singge manung channa state asida deploy tawriba state amasung central security force singna ching amasung tampaki chingna mafam singda kiba counter insurgency operation singda tongan lalhaulup singi kadar manga fabangam kibaga loinana masing yamlaba khutsukulai kaya phagatpangam kre hairi manipur police ki paw asina hai Thasegi Kulhumdoida Manipur Police Amasung Central Security Force na Imphal East District ke Porompat Police Station ke manuk channa leiba Wangkhai Ayang Pali Rota Chathakiba search operation amada aina thingkraba lalholo Manipur Revolutionary Army MRA ge active kadar ani phawangam ke hairi security force na pharba MRA ge kadar sing aduji ningthaujam Biki Elias Munal Chaikun Tralepham Kongbanandaibam Leikai amasung ningthaujam Ishor Chandra Singh Elias Loya Elias Thawai Lakpa Chaikun gamari leifam Laphopa Tera Maya kai haujingna langjing makhal kai da leibani hairi makhoi ani dagi mobile phone ahum aadhar card ama chakani panba gari macha ama phagat pangam ki hairi security force singna nomit asida Churchandpur district ki Ithyandar Renkai village chathakiba operation da Johoba Raja Datta Chaikun gamari leifam Ithyandar Renkai village Churchandpur asi mahaki mayumdagi phabangam kibaga loinana mangondagi magazine ka loinana insas rifle ama 5.56 mm live ammunition kuntraga taro camouflage bulletproof vest ama amasung mobile phone ama phagat pangam ki hari security force na Churchandpur police station ke manung chanba ngahathal area da chachakiba operation da Kuki militant group Kuki national army UKN agi kadar ani haibadi thongpi guite chai kun trohumdoi amasung sokhomang baite chai nifu sing asi phagat pangam khibaga loinana makhoi ani dagi magazine ga loinana AK47 rifle ama magazine ga loinana 9mm pistol ama tongan bab nongmai single live round kun traga taruk hand grenade ani amasung mobile phone ani phagat pangam ki hairi